Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Call of Duty Mobile tips and tricks. So here are my tips and tricks on Call of Duty Mobile. If you're a beginner or pro, so you need to learn these tips. First tip I'll be giving you is use the slide. Always use the slide in Call of Duty Mobile. Always use the crouch. Always learn how to crouch and learn when to not crouch. For example, right here. If there's like a small area there that you can crouch and shoot, learn how to use that, and always learn how to use the walls. As you can see right now, when you're using the walls, it makes much more easier to fight them. Always use the walls. You can use the walls by just crouching like that. Crouch. There you go. We can crouch right here. Let's say it's crouch right there. Then you can aim right there. There you go. And another tip for you guys when playing Call of Duty Mobile is to always try to aim for the head, because a headshot can easily kill your enemy. I'll be showing you. So we'll be finding an enemy right now. I'll try to put your crosshair a little bit upper. There we go. As you can see, headshot always gives them much more damage. Try to put your aim at a head level when you're playing Call of Duty Mobile. Just try to put it on a head level. And second tip for you guys in Call of Duty, my third tip for you guys in playing Call of Duty Mobile, always use the slide. Slide is like one of the best. I know I said this in the first like the slide, but yeah, always use the slide. Earlier I couldn't slide because I forgot to click the crouch. So yeah, so my third tip will be now the slide. So yeah, to use the slide is all you need to do is walk then run. Once you're running, click on the crouch, and then you'll be able to slide. So this is very useful for rushing somebody or trying to dodge bullets. So right now, as you can see, I am rushing somebody and trying to dodge bullets. There you go. As you can see, I've dodged a bullet right there. I dodged a few bullets, but not all of them. There you go. And another tip, my fourth tip for playing Call of Duty Mobile is always try to always know the map from where is the enemies coming from. Because when you know where the enemy is coming from, it's much more easier to fight them off. Let's say they're coming up from. I'm gonna show you. Let's say they're coming off right here. See my mouse right here. Let's say they're coming up from here. You'll know which area you'll need to go to find them and where are they the most. Let's say this area is they are the most, so always head to this area to get more kills or avoid it to not get killed, depending on you. And there you goes. Another tip for you guys, always choose a good gun. Try to modify your gun early on the game. Like always modify your gun so you can have much more damages on your gun. Unlike what I'm doing, I'm using this old gun, so it doesn't deal much damage as the other guns they have. So just try to modify your gun, try to upgrade your gun, try to upgrade your stuff, because once upgrading your stuff, your guns, weapons, and damage will deal much more than normal. And my last tip for you guys, use the wall when you are shooting somebody. Because there's when in Call of Duty Mobile, wall bang is still applicable. So wall bang, what is wall bang? Is once you shoot on the wall, the bullets will pass through it. So if there's an enemy besides that wall, try to shoot it. You might not know you may get a free kill on just shooting the wall. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, if you have any more answers, or any more questions on how to play and tricks, I can give you much more tricks in Call of Duty Mobile. So there. And my final tip for you guys, if you now want to know what I use to play Call of Duty Mobile, I use is Game Loop. But you can use BooStacks or Mumu Player, but I suggest using Game Loop. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.